taon na ang nakalipas.
Maureen Salamida recalls Super Typhoon Yolanda like it was yesterday.
Ginoo tabang, Panginoon tulong.
Every year, residents put up this gallery as a way to remember that day a monster storm roared into Giwan. This was a newly built weather station donated by Japan when Yolanda struck on November 8, 2013.
Kung titingnan natin sa mapa, ito isang strategic point na kung saan dito halos dumadaan yung mga bagyo, lalo na pagdating sa last quarter.
The Giwan weather station faces the Pacific Ocean, so it was the first to feel the brunt when Yolanda made landfall. More than 100 perished in Giwan and thousands more injured. No part of Giwan, just a little bigger than Quezon City, escaped Yolanda unscathed. Homes and structures were either damaged or totally destroyed. The family of Rosemary de la Cruz had to leave in the aftermath of Yolanda. She was then hesitant to move out of their home in a coastal village.
Super typhoon talaga yung dadating, kaya yun, nag-decide na din kami na kailangan na.
Kung ikaw lang?
Kung ako lang siguro hindi. Mas komportable ako nga nasa bahay lang eh.
Joel, who does menial jobs for a living, has saved his earnings to build a new home he hopes could withstand the next superstorm.
Yun ang pinaghahandaan ko. Ayoko na nung palipat-lipat sa ibang bahay.
1 decade after Yolanda, there's barely any reminder of the massive devastation other than the annual commemoration and the painful lessons it has left on the people of Giwan. The local government made sure Giwan bounced back. A lot has changed after a decade with the local economy thriving as seen by the growing presence of business establishments.
Nung nasira lahat, na-replan namin, na-redesign namin kung ano gagawin namin.
There are efforts too to make Giwan more resilient to disasters, including tougher law enforcement.
Alam mo, probinsya, wala kaming pakialam sa building code. Ngayon, napaka-strict.
Giwan's tourism has also gained attention post-Yolanda. Aside from its rich history, the town has also become a surfing haven due to its location. For folks here, remembering Yolanda is also remembering the good that came from a grim situation, like the heroism and sheer kindness of strangers.
Dahil sa tulong nyo, nabigyan kami ng pangalawang buhay.
Giwan is proof of what others believe is Pinoy resiliency and the promise to put to heart the lessons learned from a horrible tragedy. In Giwan, Eastern Samar, David Santos, CNN Philippines.